Garcia here. Continuing with the Dodge Challenger build. As you saw, we did the Demon rear seat delete to help lighten up the car. We're going to continue by changing the driver and passenger seat. They're pretty heavy. So I did go ahead and choose some BRAUM Racing seats. They're lighter, they're stylish. I am giving up some creature comforts like the power adjustable driver seat, the dual heated seats, but the goal is to make the car lighter, to make it faster, so we're going to continue with that. So let me show you guys what I got. Alright guys, first things first, gotta get the seat out. Starting with the passenger side, it's a little easier. Doesn't have the electronics like the driver's side does. Just has these sliders. So looks like we're gonna get these bolts out and then do the same in the back. Looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. So we're gonna start by taking out the driver's seat and then putting the brackets inside. Alright, so passenger seat out. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. These front bolts were 18 mil, and these rear bolts were 15 mil. And you take those out, unplug the heated seat, unplug the impact sensor, and it comes right out. So, probably gonna clean this carpet up a little bit before I start putting in the new seats. Alright, I had to get a little creative here to get these sliders on these seats, but you flip the racing seat upside down, you're going to have 4 nuts and washers. That's how you're going to bolt on the slider. So you're just going to line it up, top and bottom. Make sure you got it facing the right way, and make sure you got it facing the right way so when you pull up on the slider, it pulls up on it so these can slide forward and back. So once you get those on there, these are the washers and bolts. Once you get those on there, you can bring it over. Here's the planted Technologies seat bracket. See, it lines up perfectly. There's no guesswork. It's all made specifically for your car. And take this, I'm gonna bolt it up on the seat and then bring it all together at once and bolt it in place. Let's get that done. Well, here's what it looks like all bolted up. Your sliders, bar, and the seat bracket to go in the car. I already went ahead into the driver's side as well. Forgot to mention the factory seat belt buckle. It's going to go right there. So the passenger side has one too. I don't know how that's going to work with the airbag light or the seat light, but we'll figure it out.
Day 2.
Alright guys, kind of ran out of time yesterday, but all I really had left to do was put the seatbelt buckles on the seats and put the seats in the car. So, I'll show you what that looks like.